Well, Scrap for Cash Army, this is not what I would call optimum scrapping weather. Apparently, winter's back with a vengeance. And the Scrap for Cash fleet looks cold. Thumbnail. Whew. It is definitely winter. What are you gonna do but go scrapping? That's what I'm gonna do. I don't know about you all. See you at the scrap pile, if there is one. Asshole! Good morning, Scrap for Cash Army. As you hear the blue jay wailing in the background, it's a cold, frosty Sunday morning. And we are on the hunt for some scrap. I have a little bit, got a couple microwaves, some other things. But I got some stuff, a little something going on. Nice little case. Well, let's see how this day's gonna go, shall we? Well, I gotta dig out a little bit. Thing is trying to wallop me in the head, man. There's a few things. There's a couple. I'll do some rearranging at some point. This thing's gonna hit me in the head again. It's trying its best, man. What's that song? Mama said knock you out. Mama said scream and shout. Ow. Well, so how it seems like we don't talk anymore. It's like we're growing further apart from each other, and I really miss our conversations. So I mean, is it something I said? Is something I did? It's like we just never talk no more. So how is everybody today? Is everybody having a good day? Is everybody happy? Is there things I could do that would make you happy? I heard that, asshole. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Well, I had to be a little creative here. This thing's heavy and short. Did I mention it was heavy and short? Thank you. That thing's heavy, man. Sticking in shit you should be sticking into. You know, there's a song put out years ago, obviously, but some of the lines are, we got to move these refrigerators, we got to move these color TVs. I don't know if y'all remember that song or not. There is a sustained number of lines in that song that talks about the guy being a millionaire, but he doesn't call him a guy. He calls him a word. Reckon they could play that on the radio now? I'm just asking for a friend. Go. Thank you. That's what it looks like arranged. So 2 big ass microwaves, stove, another microwave, another stove, and washing machine. It's not even 9:30. Let's roll. I got a comment the other day that asked the question, Mr. Scrap for Cash, could you tell us, the common folk, what makes you so successful? Is it the fact that, is it the apartment complexes that make you successful? Is it the dumpsters that make you successful? The fact that you got maintenance guys that'll call you up and just give you stuff, that makes you successful? Is it the fact you've got a fleet of scrapping trucks? Is that what makes you successful? And I thought about that question, and I've got an answer to it. Do you want to know what makes me successful? Me! Have you ever been driving down the road and you see somebody out walking their dog and they've stopped right there right next to the road on the sidewalk, and their dog's taking a dump, and when you drive by, the dog looks at you like, this is just dehumanizing. This is so embarrassing. I'm out here squatting, dropping a couple turds, and people are driving by staring at me. And I went by that dog, and that dog just looked at me and just stared at me as I drove by. I went, yeah, would it kill you to take me behind a building or a dumpster and let me do this? You got to do it out in the open in public. The dog just looked very embarrassed. That's all I'm saying. You know, and the woman standing there with a bag overhang, you know, come on, Rusty. Let's get her out of there so I can pick it up. We can go back to the house. The dogs look at her like, yeah, when you go to sleep tonight, when you wake up in the morning, that ain't chocolate syrup on your forehead. Busted the TV. They busted the TV, man. I don't know why they would do that, unless they were a San Francisco 49er fan watching the Super Bowl. That kind of sucked for them. If you're a 49er fan, me personally, I hate the 49ers. I don't hate them. Hate's a strong word. I despise them. I think they're pieces of... Not really, it's just a football team, guys. Take it easy. Don't get excited. Take these. Take that. These kind of slide. Should slide down in there. Hey, this just needs cut. It's very plasticky. It's a Mr. Coffee. It's a plastic Mr. Coffee. It's part of a lamp. Somebody cut a cord off. Some bastard has been through here cutting cords. Huh. Let's keep my eye out. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Have to say I agree with that. Definitely some ice out here. Yeah. There's a pan there I can get. I need that off that side anyway. I need it over here where I can get to it. Oh, now, easy trigger. Easy, easy. Ice, ice. More ice. Now. You find stuff, strangest places. Well, I can't say it's really a strange place, but strangest time of year, maybe. Just amazing. It's a lawnmower. Thank you. Some rat bastard beat me to this already. The answer to that, boys and girls, is a resounding no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 good pulls. How about that? I'm the rat bastard number 1. And I'm supposed to be. I'm strapped for cash. Everybody should know this. These are my cords out here. Moving on. Tower. That's a big thing. So that fella asked me at the gas station, he owned this place, and man, if you go back there behind them dumps, you can take whatever you want back there. Yeah, I don't think so. There's a little joke time. A little funny joke time. It's not a long joke, short jokes, but I tell you, it's just funny if you think about it. Where do you take somebody that had a peekaboo accident? It's just funny. So where do you take someone that had a peekaboo accident? You take them to the ICU. I don't care who you are. That's funny right there. A son asked his dad, "Dad, can you explain to me what a solar eclipse is?" And the dad said, "No, son. Get it?" What happened to the turkey that got into a fight. Well, that guy was bigger, and that turkey got the stuffing knocked out of him. I don't know if you all knew this or not. Were you all aware that the leading cause of car accidents in Tennessee is deer? Shit, I didn't know they let them drive. I'm killing myself. Have y'all heard of the new sport called quiet tennis? It's regular tennis, just without the rackets. See, I was gonna miss that. I didn't see that, I just saw the box. So it pays to look in boxes. See? I was just gonna let that go. May not have missed that. That'd be metal. That we'll take. Well, folks, I think I will take one of these. Right. I may need this to retrieve the other one. Well, yes. Take these. The heaviest part of all of them. speaker wire, not coax. It looks like coax, right? That, however, is coax. A little bit of coax, but a lot of wire. Cool beans. Move on. Cool. That was a good step. Good stop right there. What do you reckon this thing is, folks? It smells downy fresh in there, which is refreshing for a dumpster. It's got that just wash smell. I want to give you a little dumpster etiquette tip. When you see a little bag like that's just hanging on, don't touch it. You don't want to know what's in that little bag. Not that I've ever touched it. Somebody was trying to make brownies and had a problem. Well, rat bastard number one. Again. Kinda, sorta. Well, not kinda, sorta, but actual rat bastard. It'd be good right now. Well, I covered that up like a cop with a body cam just then, didn't I? Got a little wire pile going. Got it going on. Well, look at what I found. Underwear. Ooh. Well, I've got a trash can full of wire. Stuff I got to go through, obviously. There you go. Right there. Then, the other thing I saw was behind Rat bastard. Number one. Thing to just holding it. Jesus. That's what I was trying to get. Didn't get a chance to look in here, did I? It's like another wire palooza, man. Cool beans. See that? I don't know if it went through or not. But yeah, that looks like that's going to be the end of our scrapping excursion. It was exciting. I had a lot of fun. I hope you all have fun. If you didn't have fun, then the name of my channel is Scrapping Pallet Man. Just joking. Calm down, people. We got a few things. I got a decent load going. I got a tremendous amount of wire to go through. Tremendous amount. Which is always good. Always. So I got that, and I got a little bit of brass to take in. I got a lot of wire to take in. I've got the scrap to take in. So yeah, I should have a pretty good payday on Tuesday. That's when I plan on doing this. So thank y'all for coming along. Please, 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 please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm just trying to get to 2,000 subscribers, and that does nothing for me other than it makes me feel good to get to 2,000. And it's patriotic. USA. So if you love America, subscribe to Scrap for Cash. They go hand in hand. I love everything about America. I am America. I'm American as apple pie and washing machines. The bulk of all that is, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And be careful out there. There's some crazy people driving out here. I run into them, believe me. Enjoy your weekend. Hope y'all have a good time. Lay on the couch, get some popcorn out, watch a little Scrap for Cash. I mean, that's a damn good Sunday right there. I don't care who you are. Scrap for Cash is out for now, but you'll see me again on Tuesday. See y'all. Man, it's closed. That means I gotta go inside. Oh. Hello, Scrap for Cash Army. I'm gonna do one of them late afternoon pickups. That's what I got going to the scrapyard tomorrow. And I got a lot of wire I gotta go through still. Got wire up on top past the wash machine in a trash can. I got wire in that trash can, and I've got wire laying in there. But right now I'm gonna head up to the church. Well, first I'm gonna have to go get gas. Then I'm gonna head to the church. They've got some says fireplace vents or something, and then a door, and I don't know if that door's metal or not, but I'm gonna check it out and see. So I'll be back once I get there. Well, I'm here. That ain't really much of anything. Sure it's metal. That'll work. What's the leading cause of dry skin? Towels. Did the turkey say to the hunter on Thanksgiving morning? Quack, 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 quack. Asshole.